Hey guys, thank you for checking out my crack on the RegCure. This is a full version of the RegCure crack, so it has no expiration or something. So first, this is just for 32-bit users, not for 64-bit users. So download the RegCure on the description below uh, at the media file, and after that, extract it. Oh, by the way, you can't extract it without using WinRAR. You need to have a WinRAR to extract it. So extract here, and after that, and after extracting it to the folder you have extracted, open the folder. Then, oh, by the way, if you have a RegCure that has a fake license or a license that cannot be removed, you can use the unregister so that it will remove the license that you have installed there. So right click and run as administrator for Windows Vista or Windows 7. After that, click on RegCure, then click on register, and it will take effect after the restart of your computer. So by the way, I'm a 64-bit user, not a 32-bit user, so sorry for that. Like this, yeah, I'm a 64-bit user, not for 32-bit user. So after installing your RegCure, that you just download it, apply the crack. So copy the crack folder, open the crack folder, and copy the RegCure exe on your RegCure file location or find target so that you can paste it there. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video on how to crack the RegCure. So leave a comment, then subscribe. Thank you.